run and get you every wig from the 5x5 closure collection, because I know I sure did. Y'all, can we just give Outre their flowers? Because honey, this hair, hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another newer unit. This one is from the Outre 5x5 lace closure wig collection. I'm wearing it in the style Peruvian water wave 24-inch in the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as the 5x5 closure lace wig collection is concerned, which is your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band that is not adjustable. It is pre-plucked. You do get that 5x5 area of parting right here. That's HD lace. Honey, the baby hairs, the pre-pluckedness, all that goodness is in there. So let me just come and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. So as y'all can see, I did a little half up, half down situation just so that you could get a realistic view of what the hairline is looking like. And honestly, my favorite thing about this collection is the fact that they make it so that you don't necessarily need a 13x6 anymore, ladies, for you to be able to get that realistic hairline. They're doing exactly what needs to be done when it comes to the 5x5 closure. It's giving all hairline realness, but without the additional work that comes with a 13x6 or 13x4, so I'm absolutely here for it. As you can see on the sides, they did a really good job at not making it so the tracks are super noticeable. It's super flat. So the length on this unit, like it says in the stock card, is 24 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come about just to my boobs, so it definitely is a good amount of length. As far as the density, honey, this is all for me because y'all know I'm a big hair don't care type of girl, and the density on this one, y'all, the density is super full. The density is like 180%, like maybe 200%. I don't know, like it's a lot of hair, and I absolutely love it. This is everything to the front, y'all. It is a lot of hair, and with fall and winter around the corner, I feel like this will be perfect because of course for the summer, honey, this is going to be hot. You probably want to be able to really do much without sweating, but the fact that the colder seasons are coming up, I feel like this is gonna be a look, honey. Now as far as the cap size is concerned, I'm gonna say that this is definitely small and medium head friendly, possibly big head friendly. I haven't adjusted the straps at all, and I feel like it's fitting my head perfectly. There is a bit of stretch to the cap though, so I do think if you have a large size head, this is one that you'll definitely be able to get away with wearing. So the texture on this one, I'm really happy that it's not silky at all. It's kind of giving a dried out yaki, but I'm here for it anyways. I did get a little bit of tangling and a little bit of shedding, and that's definitely because of the length and also because of the texture of the hair, but it wasn't anything too crazy. Honey, look at these curls. So let me just jump right into the cons and the pros of this unit. Once again, I'm sorry to sound like a broken record, y'all, but I have literally no cons when it comes to this unit. Like, look at it. It's beautiful. I can't say one negative thing about this unit, to be honest. My pros on this unit are, my favorite part is just the lace, the hairline, like, girl, the baby hairs, the fact that this is minimum work. Throw it and go, honey. Yes, this is checking all the boxes. The density, the curl pattern, like, girl, the look, this is yet another one I probably would wear every day because I'm me and I'm a little bit extra. Run and get you every wig from the 5x5 closure collection, because I know I sure did. Because they are hitting it every single time. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure to give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.